Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We are going to do a test shot on a quick mill. We did some work to this machine. We replaced the heating element, we tightened the heat exchange, and we also put new components on the boiler such as the pressure stat, safety valve, and the vacuum valve. And this machine's working really good. It's going to start heating in a minute and it should pop right up to 125, 1.25, which is perfect for a heat exchange machine. And we calibrated the expansion valve to go with the pump, and we're going to go right about at 10. Here we have this heating again, and we can watch that valve go, or this gauge go right up. There it go. Now we're going to, although that has stuff to do, we're going to pull a shot here and see what we got. There we go, right at 10, very nice. Cut it a little short here. Check the steam. Nice strong steam. Hot water valve. Nice and smooth, turns right off. There you have it. Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.